In a quiet forest, an old owl lived high in a tree. He watched everything that happened below, the animals playing, the birds singing, and even the troubles of the forest creatures. Unlike the other animals, he spoke very little and listened a lot. One day, a young rabbit asked him, "Why don't you talk much, wise owl?" The owl smiled and replied, "Because wisdom comes from listening, not just speaking." The rabbit didn't understand at first, but as time passed, he noticed how animals who talked too much often got into trouble. The chatterbox parrot once revealed a squirrel's secret hiding spot. The boastful fox bragged so much that he was caught in his own lies. One day, a great storm hit the forest. The animals panicked, not knowing where to go. But the wise owl, who had listened to the wind and observed the sky, knew that the safest place was inside the caves on the hill. He guided the animals there, saving them all. From that day on, the forest creatures understood the owl's wisdom. They learned that listening carefully and speaking wisely could save them from trouble. Moral of the story: wise people listen more and speak less.